Let's get in the kitchen today and make some yummy sweet chili salmon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this easy and delicious sweet chili salmon. So grab all the ingredients that you're gonna need by looking in the description box below and let's start cooking. The first thing that you're gonna need is salmon. As you guys can see, I have 2 pieces of salmon. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting it evenly into 2 pieces each. Next, I'm just removing the skin from the salmon. It just makes for a cleaner eat, and this is just something that I prefer to do. Using a half of lemon, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze the juice all over the salmon. This is just to wash the salmon. If you watch my previous videos, you know that I always wash all the meats and seafood that I make, so this is just that step. Rinse the salmon with cool to cold water. Be sure to pat the salmon dry. This step is very important, and then move on to the seasoning process. The list of all the seasonings as well as the measurements are down in the description box below. Now it's time to season the salmon, which is one of my favorite parts, add some flavor to these babies. The next step is heating some vegetable oil in a skillet or frying pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna go ahead and place the salmon to start frying. We're going to fry the salmon on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the salmon is fried nice and crisp, we're going to go ahead and turn it over to the other side. Repeating the same process, we're going to allow the salmon to fry on this side for 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're fried nice and crisp, we're going to go ahead and remove them from the oil and add them to some paper towel to remove the excess oil. So now on to my favorite part, saucing the salmon. This right here deserves its own little shine. This is my favorite sweet chili sauce. If you've never tried it, go ahead, rush to your favorite Walmart, your favorite grocery store, and grab it. To sauce the salmon, you could do it one of 2 ways. You could go ahead and use a brush to brush the sauce on the salmon, or you could just do it the lazy way like I did and just go ahead and make sure that each side is coated in the sauce. Once the salmon is nicely coated in the sauce, we're gonna go ahead and add it to the oven. Set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is all you need for this beautiful succulent salmon. Super delicious and very easy to make. This is the final results, guys. I just added some sauce that was left over from the salmon in the oven on the top of it just to give it that nice rich glaze, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video.